Now on our New Zealand dollar against our JPY, as we are going to be analyzing it. First of all, we are on our daily time frame. As we can see this week, throughout this week, we are having a bullish move. Guess what? Our price has actually opened for today and definitely would be ending bullish for today. Our price will be going bullish against our JPY. As our JPY is dropping, any pair relating to our JPY should actually be going bullish. Now let's see it on our 4-hour time frame. We'll be analyzing from our 4-hour time frame. As you can see, we have this bullish move, right? And we're having this red, this indicating a reversal move. There's every possibility you can have the reversal movements around this area here. There's every possibility, yes, to be having this at least the reversal movement around this area before actually now have a push up, breaking our previous higher highs, and where our price of previous higher highs will be broken and it will continue going upward. So now this is exactly where I am predicting our price should actually be closing. This is exactly, at least our price should be able to hit this liquidity area for today. Let me mark it. That is about at least it that is about 53 pips, at least 53 pips. And when it hits this area here, then we'll also be looking at our second target where our price will actually be hitting. That is about 86 pips, by the way. So let's try and take our profits whereby our price hits this our previously. We see a liquidity area here where our price pushes up and a good amount of rejection here. This is our liquidity area. We should try and take our profits around this our key area here, and possibly our highest area here, which is our liquidity area. I believe our price will be hitting this our area here. That is exactly what I believe. I believe our price will be hitting it. So let's try and take our buy position straight upward. So our New Zealand against our JPY is actually going to be going bullish. So we're having a retracement, then we'll be going bullish on our New Zealand JPY. So that is my analysis for the day.